Let's make this basket head using matrix tools, 4 prongs and 2 rails. So first get the 1 carat diamond around 6.5 mm or 6 mm. So we need to go to top view and create one circle from center. Okay, select the circle and by keep pressing shift key scale it down so that circle will get smaller in size, and bring it down using gumball as per rail design. So in basket design there are 2 rails, so we are going to create first rail. Now we are applying circle around the curve. So click anywhere on the curve and then create circle. It will automatically ask radius or diameter. So specify dimension as per requirement. Now suppose if we want to change the cross section of the profile, so just select the curve and click on turn on control points. So we got 9 control points, and select them and use scale key. It's not setting as per our requirement, so let's undo the things. Now again select the circle, turn on control points. Okay, use rebuild command to add or remove control points. So suppose I am just changing control points by adding the new control points. So suppose if this is also not as per our requirement, then again select the curve and apply rebuild command, and again change the control points, number of control points. Okay, so now we have just selected top and bottom control points using shift key and drag them using scale gumball option. So select control points as per our requirement. So I have just selected 4 control points, and now again top 2 and bottom 2, and drag them using scale gumball option. Yeah, now this is looks fine. So control point, turning on control points and setting them as per our requirement. Okay, now see the profile is going inside the diamonds. It is intersecting with the diamond. Then once we apply cutters, the portion will automatically create sitting for diamond. Okay, so now use sweep tool. So first curve, second curve, then enter, it will create sweep profile. We also need another rail because we have 2 rails, so we need another copy of the curves. So now use Ctrl plus H to hide the object, to hide any object. Now select both the curves, and by keep pressing Alt key, drag down the gumball option. It will create another copy. Now scale it down inside circle and then drag the profile on the curve and scale it as per size or as per our dimensions. Now we can again apply sweep 1 tool. Okay, so sweep 1 is different. It needs only one curve for path and one curve for profile. So we'll apply sweep 1 at the bottom for bottom rail. Use shaded option. Okay, now go to top view and use cylindrical, make cylinder option. So just specify radius or diameter value, and it will ask for height. So to specify height, we will go to perspective view. Okay, so now specify height. You can also adjust both the side option, turning on both the side options, and set height as per our requirement. You can also change size by using scale key. Now this is move option. We have just adjust the position. Okay. Now to create cage, we have apply cage edit option. Okay, by applying cage edit, it will create control point, means it will create cage of a control points. So if the cage is okay, then set points of groups as per our requirement. You can see in the video I have just selected bottom 4 points and adjusting them to set prong position as shown in basket head. So if the control points we have selected, we have to set in straight position, and it should be go inside at the bottom portion. You can also scale them, you can also rotate them, and you can also move them. So we can select control points as per our requirement by top group, bottom group, any control points we can select and adjust them using gumball. So suppose if this is okay, then add sphere using diameter option. So we have to click 2 points, it will automatically set top round portion, then use boolean union operation, so it will merge both the objects into one. It will boolean 2 objects into one object. Now we need to create 4 prongs, so we can apply array polar. Array polar will create circular pattern. We need to specify center and angle. So suppose if this is okay, then apply enter. But if array polar is not working, we need to use mirror option. So to apply mirror, we have to create one plane. So suppose if we want to okay, array polar is not properly working, so we have to use mirror tool. Okay, so select the object and create one mirror plane. So right will go to left side and select both the top prongs and create horizontal plane. It will go to bottom. Now see the horizontal distance is little bit larger, means side distance of 2 prongs is looking little bit more. So see, find out which prong we have created first. So by changing first object, it will affect on all another prongs, because we have turned on history record option. So it will keep things connected. So if we make the change in first, it will affect all